Take two. Ready?
It's like you're torturing her. Is that good? Ella, is that good?
Is it supposed to be?
Good, Ella.
Good job, sweetie. She doesn't like the spoon touching her.
Is that good?
Ready? Cereal. 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 Good girl.
Yeah, that was good.
You're getting it.